The inch-based dial caliper can measure a little over 6 inches. Let's take a look at the blade scale real quick. In this blade scale, the inch-based dial caliper can measure a little over 6 inches. Let's take a look at the blade scale real quick. In this blade scale, we have 0 inches, 1 inch, and I can see 2 inches. And in between each inch, it's divided 10 times. So this is going to be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, etc. So when we're reading something on a caliper, what we're going to do here is first see what two whole numbers it's in between. In this case, it's going to be between 2 and 3 whole inches. So I can write down 2.000, and it has not achieved the 0.1 increment yet. It's very close, but it has not achieved the 0.1 increment. So it's going to be 0.0, and then I'm going to read the dial. The dial is separated into 100 equal spots, so I'm at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, we'll call it 82. So in this case, the dial caliper is reading 2.082 as my final answer. Let's go over another example. So I'll just move the caliper into this range right here, and I can see in this case it's going to be between 1 and 2 whole inches. It is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. It has not achieved 1.4. So in this particular case, I could write down 1.000, and then it achieved the 0.3 increment. And lastly, I go to the dial. The dial looks like it's pointing to, we're going to call it 72. So it's 0.072. You add all that together and you get this answer here for the caliper, 1.372.